Well, that leads me to talk about my path to cannabis in general, which was as a patient. I was seeking some natural herbal remedies for some chronic pain that I was experiencing because I didn't want to take opioids, which is what I was prescribed. And I tried a lot of different herbs to feel better. And one of my favorites is cannabis. I found so many other benefits from it aside from the chronic pain management. And I just feel really blessed that it's really entered my life as it has and at this time. So, well, let me continue that. So I went from patient to activist because I just really couldn't believe that this was so vilified and it was helping so many people with minimal side effects. And it's such a lovely medicine that promotes all kinds of other well-being. And I started helping out with my local dispensary, local legislation in Long Beach, kind of also a vigilant Facebook activist. And then a friend of mine got me involved in some media. I did a news show on the world's first it's called the US Weed Channel, and it was the first streaming network for cannabis content. And I was on more of a serious show called The 420, where we talked about current events and what was going on in the world of cannabis. And I do feel so honored to witness this growing industry as it grows from a community to an industry, and really enjoying all of the people that I meet along the way. And through my dinner parties, which is the next phase of my activism, because I became an educator as well. You know, if you're the person that knows a lot about weed on your block, everybody's going to start asking you questions. And I want to share the knowledge. I love learning and I love sharing what I learn with others. And I think education doesn't have to be boring. We can do it in fun ways. We can do it in delicious ways through the vehicle of fine dining and enjoy fine flower along the way.